Hey peeps, I'm Tedder, or, you know, another asshole with a 3D printer on YouTube. I am gonna start making some videos maybe. I'm terrible at this. I'm inspired because of Rover and kind of the under 1,000 subscribers 3D printer channels, so let me know if you find this interesting. I started about 4 or 5 months ago with an Anet E10, and I've rebuilt it several times. It gets daily use. I work from home, so I pretty much have it always printing. Recently, my E3 V6 light extruder fan failed, and so the mount that I was using, which is made out of lots of pieces of PLA, melted. So the whole thing just kind of went bleh. So I used that as an opportunity to kind of rebuild the printer. I built a box that it's sitting in. I replaced the power supplies. There's a bunch of SSRs, 24 volt in many places, 12 volt in a few, and I already had a second tram or carriage printed in ABS. Let me show you what I have here. So let's take a look at my printer. You can see the carriage is printed in ABS. The blue is not, though. That's PETG. The layer adhesion was terrible on it. It cracked. So that's why the fan is held on with a zip tie. I need to print a new fan shroud. Can't really print a fan shroud without a printer that's working. The wiring's a little messy. I used this opportunity to convert to microfit 3.0 connectors pretty much everywhere, and that's just meant a lot of work. So everything's just kind of cobbled together right now. One of the problems I'm having is the V6 clone has some gaps, probably between the nozzle, and so I need to disassemble it. Hopefully I can figure out why. Fattening my filament, and so then it doesn't print once that happens. It's just kind of my current headache. So I got a few good prints out of it, but it's really just creating a headache for me, so I've stopped printing so I can do that. The next few things I have to print are things to make the printer actually print. It's that circular problem that we're all in. I also have a build one on order on Kickstarter, and of course that's been horribly delayed. I still think it'll come eventually. There's been progress posted on it, so it'll be nice to have a second printer. And I am in the process of building a printer also. I really like the core XY design, the cube shape, instead of this kind of Prusa style. Because I really don't like how much the bed moves around in this style. So that's it for this first video. If you like this video, let me know. Take care. I'm Tedder.